Hi friends, myself Ganesh. Now I just completed my project Virtual Healthcare Assistant, that is Medical Chatbot. Medical Chatbot is an AI powered virtual health assistant designed to provide instant personalized medical guidance, and it uses the natural language processing and machine learning model to understand the user queries and deliver the accurate health information. And its backend is built with a Flask GPT-2 model and processes the queries efficiently while storing the user interaction securely in database. And this project aim to make healthcare is a more accessible, affordable, and efficient through the intelligent automation. Now I already started running the app.python file. Then Flask server is start and open the on browser. Okay, so this is a homepage of our medical chatbot. And this side navigation links: home, login, about service, contact, login and sign up. Then below that mention some cards, they give the health tips. They below that created one section, developer section. Go to the login page. I have already account with the username Soham. Now after login we can directly redirect on chat interface. We can where I can start interacting with a chatbot. So this is our main page of main chat page. On this side the chat history section, which saves the each new conversation separately. And if you can click on this new chat button, then complete new section start, you will see added at a history list. Now I can create another account and then start the conversation with medical chatbot. Then sign up. Then we can go to the our main chat page. I can start the conversation with chatbot. In text box I can enter one. This is a health related question or query or problem. What are the earlier symptoms of diabetes? Then click on send button. After that model will start the thinking on that particular question, and the chatbot processes this question using our fine-tuner GPT-2 model and gives the accurate response. Based on my question, the chatbot will respond something, give the information related to the question. Now I can enter another query. Okay. The chatbot will now responded related, give the information related to the my second question. So now I want the more information for a second uh, question. What is the benefits of regular exercise? I want more information, so I can enter give me in detail. Then model will start thinking on that and give the more information of above question. Now chatbot is a responded, give the more information. Okay. This chatbot is particularly developed to respond only health or medical related queries or problems. They not give the response on non-medical terminologies or non-medical questions. So let's try with one non-medical terminology. So I enter who is Virat Kohli. Then they will show the one message. This is non-medical terminology, so I can only assist with the health related queries. Now I can create another chat section. So here in chat history section, create a new chat history, and this is my previous history. Okay. Also show the date and time. Now go to the, I can log out. User can, after conversation, user can log out. Okay. Then this is the overview of user interface. Now we can see the data stored in database. I can stop this server. This is a database file, MediQA.db. All the data or conversation on the chatbot, they will stored in this file. So I can start the SQLite. I use the SQLite database. So start the SQLite cell with the help of SQLite. SQLite 3 MediQA.db. Then I want to see the tables in the database. So for that command is a ta.table. In my database there are 3 tables: chat, message and users. Now see the view table data. In my database there are 11 users are sign up, name, last name, user, email and password. Okay, then I can see the chat tables. Okay, this is a chatting history. When user is a login on chatbot, when they enter the started the chatting messages, there show the in that show the user email and starting chatting date and time. Now see the message table. Okay, this is a message table. There give the all information about, sorry, this is all information that's stored in database. Okay, this. So yeah, that was my project. Virtual healthcare assistant medical chatbot is a one step towards the making healthcare more accessible. And if you have any suggestion or message related to the my project, you can drop the message on comment box. Also, I provide the Google form. The Google form link is on description box. You can fill this Google form. This message or suggestions is a helpful for further improvement. And this is a medical chatbot by combining the advanced natural language processing and user interface. The MediQA Chatbot is a help the users to get the health information at any time anywhere. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you.